Hi, my name is Sim Alexander, and today I'll present to you my application developed on these 2 months for this competition. This is called Parla, an app what use speech to text and call analytics platform that's set to transform the landscape of quality assurance in call centers. Parla is not just another call monitoring tool, it's an intelligent AI-driven solution that leverages the latest advancements in technology to provide unprecedented insight into our call center operation. Because I work in a call center, this tool was a remarkable tool to improve our agent performance and to analyze those. Biggest problem in our company was quality assurance because we have a lot of agents and I work in the position of IT, system administrator, most exactly. This app I will use to improve the performance of our agents. For this app, we used React, Next.js, what is a tool for it, Firebase, where we use authentication, Fire database, storage to store the calls, and MongoDB Compass, where we have the calls information and summary and other information about calls. Okay, let's go. So for right now, I will try to log in our platform. Like this looks. We can see we have an overview tab right here with the total calls, average call time, average call score, average processing time, and some informations about our calls. Right now we have this month on August 9 calls transcribed and analyzed. Right here in the right we have profile, light, team, dark team, logout, notification zones. This is in development, and the search area like this, but the same in development. In the left we have a sidebar, but we can expand it to see. How do you see? Okay, settings, theme again, language, Romanian, English. Okay, right now we will go to conversations. Right here you can see we have some information about calls, the status of them, minutes, project, the name of the agent, phone number, etc. Okay, we have some analytics where we can see some information about calls, average call score, average sentiment, average talk duration, total calls. We move to 2nd August. We have the calls of the count of calls we have this month, last month. No, no, this month. Sorry. Okay. Next we have some calls. Again, we can see some informations, agents, project, username, name, where we can see some information about the agent. Right here, the Gemini is introduced to make a summary of the agent performance. Right here, he said don't have enough information for make a resume about user performance. We can try again to see if we get more information. Okay, right now we can see average call score 87.8 across 5 calls. It's a great start. This indicates a generally positive customer experience with an average call duration of 4 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, agent activity and some analytics. We have some positives and negatives that there and toll durations. Next we go to projects. Right here we can see calls based on the project, and we can configure the words what this code analyze in backend. We can search after greetings words, company names, availability words, from what company, positive words, negative words, and so on. Company's name, BCR. We can try to add another word here like our hi, maybe, and the word is added. Okay, we go to chat. This is an part of where the Gemini can interact and is like a chat zone for our agents or supervisors, quality assurance, to try this application, like analyze the trend of the total calls, suggest ways to reduce and every processing times. Let's try this one and generate and respond. Okay, so Gemini generated an answer with some recommendations. Let's go on. Now, based on the page, we can ask the Gemini right here in the right on the bottom right of the corner. We have a floating button where you can see the chat, the previous chat, and we can ask another question. How many calls did we have this month, for example? Okay, we had 9 calls. Okay, that's a great. Next, we can go to calls, for example. We can go to see more details about this call. As you can see, is the conversation between the agent and the client. We have the audio file right here.
Alo, bună ziua! Bună ziua! Numele meu este Opreandra și vă contactez din partea...
It's in Romanian language, but we hope you understand what is there. So, let's try to ask a question about the agent. How agent perform. Now we get an answer about the agent and some improvement for him, like clarity, needs identification, what it said, some recommendations, and so on. Gemini offer me most of the information what I need to improve agent's performance and to give some recommendations. Right now, we have some analytics about this call, about talk ratio. We have customer, agent, and dead air. And crosstalk is about if agent overt speech over the client and so on. Call summary in Romanian language. Some word frequency in those calls. So for example, agent said for 33 times there and 30 times Nevastra. Call duration distribution. Most of the calls, most of the part is in 2-3 minutes. Okay. Now we can try to go on a project, for example, to go to BCR. No, sorry. Let's go to agent, to under Opera, because it's an example. We use an example. And wait to get an answer from the server. Okay. Let's ask how we can improve Andra performance. for example. Okay, we get an answer. We have identify bottlenecks, technology check, skill assessment, so on. And right now let's try to make an analyze on call. We have already the call get it this call. We have okay, and let's see right here what it does. Right here the call make the transcription. We use Whisper AI from Hugging Face, but let's start again the process to be sure. Okay, let's start. Let's check again if it's into process. I'll give to you two, three calls to try and test this code. The call use we have for this, we have a sentiment model to analyze the sentiment of the segments, like in here. For example, here we have a sad face with a tear on the face. We have a neutral and a happy face, and so on. Based on that, the code generates some icons. Right now, let's wait to generate the transcription. I put on pause and come back when it's done. Okay, like we can see, the call is done. We have a small summary here of the call with the segments. And right here, we can see the call. We can see how was done. And that's it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. This was my presentation for the Parla app. If you need more information, you can contact me for more, and I hope it's good enough for you guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.